everyone, in my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can enable or use the developers option in your device OnePlus Nord N300. So if in this device OnePlus Nord N300 you want to enable the developers option, or if you want to use the developers option, you can easily do it by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move toward the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end, and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.